Educación universitaria, María Cano.
Hello, today we want to show you pulmonary auscultation chain. As we well know, auscultation is of great importance because it allows us to evaluate the noises generated in the air through the airflow. First of all, from a previous image we are going to locate 5 perpendicular lines located as follows. Line number 1 is located just in the middle external line. Now, 2 lines will be located at the mid-clavicular lines. Now, the last 2 lines will be located right at their anterior axillary lines. Next, we have the 3 lines located in the posterior view. The first line is located on the vertebral line. Finally, the last 2 lines are located on the scapular line. Now let's talk about the sequence of the auscultation points, which helps us to identify exactly the points where we must place the stethoscope in order to correctly listen to the long sound. First we start with the backplane, where we will locate the points with numbers from 10 to 1. It is important to emphasize that this assessment is carried out in an encephalocaudal manner. Very good. Now let's join the points. In the first place we have point 9 and 10 that will be located at the upper vertex of the scapula between T1 and T3. Point 7 and 8 will be located in the interscapular region below T3. Points 5 and 6 will be located at the lower vertex of the scapula exactly at T7. Points 3 and 4 will be located on the posterior axillary line between ribs 7 and 8. Finally, points 1 and 2 will be located on the mid-scapular line between T9 and T10. Now we are going to locate the points of the previous plane. In the first place, we have the 17 and 18 points that are located in the form of a triangle between the clavicle and the upper trapezius fibers. Points 15 and 16 are located on the mid-clavicular line between the second and third ribs. The 14 points are located in the mid-clavicle line above the nipple male, and in the case of women, they are located in the axillary line below the forearm. Point 13 are located in the same way as a point 14. Points 11 and 12 are located on the mid-clavicular line below the chest exactly at the 6th rib. Finally, points 19 and 20 are united in the anterior axillary line between the 7th and 8th rib. And thus we conclude how the auscultation points should be located and distinguished in order to be able to identify the long sound. Thank you.